It is a disaster in here. Currently making some tea and some oatmeal. We have this collapsible travel kettle that we bought. It's actually pretty cool, and it's supposed to only be 800 watts, but it's running at 950. This is fireweed tea, loose leaf. This should be yummy. Currently minus 14 outside, which is a lot better than yesterday. It was minus 25, 26. Yeah, something just awful. But it's warmed up because I'm pretty sure it's snowing, or there's snow coming. Usually it warms up when it's snowing. What are you doing? Oh yeah, you're cute. Cute. One is definitely not a lot of food. Oh no. Oh, there we go. It's so warm today compared to yesterday. Holy moly, I can actually like stand here and take my time. Oh, it's nice. You know it's bad when minus 14 feels good. Whew. This thing should start pretty easy today. Oh, no problem. It's too bad it wasn't as nice as yesterday, although the clouds and the snow do mean it's warmer, so at least there's that. But yesterday, the mountains at this time were just glowing pink, and they usually do in the sunlight in the clear skies. But now today they're covered. It's still beautiful, but yesterday, holy moly. Come on, let's go. Okay, it's a little stuck. There we go. Come on. Come on. Big stretch. Alrighty. Harness time. Oh, she hates her harness. Oh. If she sees it and she's able to run, she will run.
Nothing like getting out of bed with your toque on. The road is not the most stable.
No, we're parked 6 kilometers up the ski hill road. You just get out of town and it's yeah, it's nice and peaceful, quiet. You get a nice view. We were saying we should have slept up at the ski hill because there was an inversion. There was an inversion yesterday too. That's where it's warmer on the mountain than in the valley. It's minus 14 here. It was minus 6 up there. Yesterday it was minus 9 up on the mountain and minus 26 in the valley. So it's crazy the difference you can get with an inversion.
Those are always the best days to go skiing.
Yeah.
And it's kind of fun when you're like surprised by it, because it'll be really cold and you're like, I don't know, but you're like, we'll go. And then it actually turns out to be a really nice warm day.
So Star went to work now and I've just been running some errands. I went to the grocery store, I bought some stuff for Moroccan couscous I'm gonna make later today. And I went and bought some toothbrushes because Star dropped it in a public washroom sink, so that's nasty. And I've been searching town this morning for a local kombucha. It's a cranberry spruce tip, and spruce tip tea is like my favorite tea. It's so good, and I think they sold out. Aspen knows that she's gonna go somewhere. Oh, I got this. I just had to try it. Made with fresh raspberries. This looks good. Let's give it a try. That is really good. This is so good. Oh, I can't drink all of it. Oh, sorry, Star. I drank it all before you got off of work. So if you're wondering, she works the day, I work the night. I don't work overnight. I work after she gets off. Ooh, that's been in the truck all night. Life won't wait, my dear. Don't be late. When the day is longer than the night, the road ahead is clear and in the light. Don't be late, my dear. Hey, Star, how's it going?
It's lunchtime. Since we both work at the same restaurant, we actually both get free soup. So for lunch, normally I will just bring some soup, whatever it is. I am in charge of making the soup there. So today we're having like an Indian curry.
Oh, nice.
It's got it might be a little messed up because I was walking with it, but it's got toasted cashews on it.
Oh, nice.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. I'll probably start editing this footage together, and then I'll probably start cooking dinner. That looks very, very comfortable, Aspen. I need to somehow cut her nails. How am I gonna do this? Hello? Hi? Can I cut your nails? Yeah? I can cut your nails? You give me a paw? Shake a paw? Is that not happening? Can you shake a paw? Shake a paw. Shake a paw. Aspen, shake a paw. Yeah, come on. She's like, no. Can I have a paw? Can I have a paw? Thank you. She hates this. Oh no. What's up? We are going to make some Moroccan couscous for dinner. So couscous doesn't take very long to cook, so I'm gonna try cutting this very small. Carrot. There's a doggy nose trying to get into my food. Maybe a few more. 1 teaspoon of cumin. Garlic, I never got fresh garlic, so I'll have to use this. teaspoon of cinnamon, salt, throw those in there. It is done. Nice. I put a little bit too much water in there. Oh well.
Smells really good. So what was this again?
Moroccan couscous.
Okay.
Well, I gotta eat now, and then I go in.
Yeah, your shift starts
Soon, yeah.
We plan it that way though, so that
Yeah.
Aspen isn't alone, especially in the truck. If we had a van maybe or something, but.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go to work now.
Well, Daniel's at work. I am going to do a little bit of editing. I'm also going to look for a song to put in this video. So, we shall see what we can find.
When the evening falls across the land and your lover's reaching you the hand, don't be late.
We're all done with our work now. Now it's time for us to watch some of The Witcher. If you haven't seen it, it's so good. We're rewatching it. We've already watched it all. But that is a chore.
A little bit of snow inside. I don't know why I didn't bring some sort of brush. Oh, that is that day. There's a major design flaw in our build. Probably wondering how the heck does the heat come up if the heater is down there. Oh, well, this is how.
Oh, you can't really see. Okay, so this is the setup. There's a hole there where there's no wood. And, yeah, this basket keeps the mattress from going and covering that hole, and the heat comes up through that hole.
So, I mean, obviously, this is short term, but, like, long term, I'd like to put one of those Y connectors on the heater and then bring up, like, some kind of duct here. So there's one down there and up here. But, like, it's just so cold now, I just have absolutely no desire.
Yeah. So that is what a typical workday looks like for us. We hope that you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, comment down below what you'd like to see from us in future videos, and we will see you in the next video.